Hey everyone, it's Ann from What's Up Homestead. Long time no see. I was doing Vlogmas, and with just everything going on in our house, with all the construction going on and the roof going on, and I'm watching my grandkids, so they were just too much. I couldn't film a video every day. And now we've somehow gotten our house back together. I'm still trying to get everything done, but at least we got the tree up. I got a tree finally. I think it's 12 days before Christmas, but that's okay. And I'm trying to slowly but surely get some decorations up, but you know how it is when your 18-month-old grandson comes in. You know it's not going to stay the way you put it, but that's okay. It's going to be a couple years before they're old enough to know not to mess with anything, so let's just get started. I'm going to make a cheese ball, and it's going to be pretty easy and pretty simple, but I'm going to try and make Doug a buffalo cheese ball. He has requested that. And even I searched for it on YouTube and I couldn't find one video with a buffalo cheese ball. So I'm going to make two. I've got 2 blocks of cream cheese, and I'm going to make a regular one and I'm going to make a buffalo one. So I'll turn you around and I'll show you what we've got here. I'm just going to use 1 block, and then I've got the Frank's Red Hot. That's what I've got, so that's what I'm going to use for the wing sauce. It calls for 1/4 cup. I've got onion powder, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, white cheddar cheese, and pepper jack cheese. I'm going to use the white cheddar in the regular cheese ball, and I'm going to use the pepper jack in the other one. And I chopped some pecans over here, and it called for 3/4 cup, so I just doubled it. And also I'm going to have to use a hand mixer because my KitchenAid is leaking oil, so of course. And I'm making this video at 10:30 at night, so it just figures. I'm going to shred up the cheese and we'll mix it up. The recipe called for 1 cup of cheese. So I'm going to not put quite a cup, since I don't have the 8 ounces of cheese. And also I have to measure with the measuring cup. I know that I learned that you're not supposed to measure, you're only supposed to measure liquids in the cups, but of course the cup measure is the one that I'm missing right now. I've got every one of them but that. And just like I said, this is a very forgiving recipe. So if you had a little bit more or a little bit less, it'll be fine. So that was not quite a cup. Okay, so that was probably maybe 3/4 of the block of cheese. So then I'm going to go ahead and start mixing that up. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in here, put it back in my bowl. I've got not quite 1/4 of a cup of the hot sauce, and I'm going to pour that in. Thought I'd get my Christmas spatula. It's nice and festive. And I'll try to mix that around. Gonna add my block of cream cheese. This smells really good. I hope it's good. I'm not a big spicy person. I don't eat a lot of spicy food. Not because I don't like it, it's just because I'm a wimp and I have the palate of like an 8-year-old. But I'm trying to improve. As long as it's not too hot, I can handle it. Okay, so I'm going to hook up the mixer and mix this. I can't mix this by hand, so I'm going to get my hand mixer. This must be the fastest mixer in the world because it was going crazy on one. So I had to put my hand right there because it was gonna sling all the cheese out. But I got it to good enough to where now I can just mix it by hand. And I'm gonna put some garlic powder and onion powder. I'm not gonna measure, that's not who I am. This might be even good with some celery, like a buffalo, like a chicken wing, maybe. You might even put chicken in there, I don't know. If that would be any good. If you've ever made something like this and you've either made it with chicken or celery, let me know. Hopefully this is good. But I mean, how can you go wrong with cheese and buffalo sauce? I mean, and cream cheese, cheese and buffalo sauce. I mean, and then some pecans on it. Okay. So now I'm going to form it into a ball and let it sit in the refrigerator. And I just tasted this and it is so good. I can't wait to try it. So what I like to do is just take a piece of plastic. Way it's not very messy. And just take it and lay it in the middle. I bet this would be good with blue cheese. I might try that next time because I love blue cheese. Nobody else in my family does, but I do. Make my own personal cheese ball. Okay, let me wash my hands. Okay, so what I like to do is just kind of fold it over like this and just gather it all at the top and just kind of form it into a ball. And it doesn't have to be precise. It doesn't have to be perfectly round because all you want is to let it firm up. And as soon as it firms up, you can roll it a little bit more and make it perfectly round. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pat that kind of like you would if you were making dough, and I'll just put that in the refrigerator. Okay, I put them in the refrigerator and I'm going to let them sit overnight. And when I get up tomorrow, I will roll them in the pecans and they'll be ready to eat. So I'll see you in the morning. And I got these Stacy's Cheese Petites Romano with garlic and pepper, and I'm going to try it with those. And then I've got this Duo with jalapeno and cheddar jack, and I think the jalapeno I might try with the buffalo chicken. Here we go. That's pretty good. Let's try it with a jalapeno. It's better with the jalapeno. Okay, let's try the other one. Just a classic cheese ball. I already know how it's going to taste, but that one's good too. Definitely not as good as the buffalo chicken, so I think I'll make that from now on. With the other one, but this one has way more flavor.
We'll give you cameraman one.
He doesn't want to be on camera, but my cameraman said he wants one, so.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's definitely a winner.
Oh yeah.
I'll make another one of these. Uh-oh.
Let me try. Let me taste test it one more time. Make sure I still like it. It's been a while since I had one.
And that's with the jalapeno cracker.
Very good.
Well, that's a taste test, and we both like the buffalo. I keep wanting to say buffalo chicken, but it's just a buffalo one. So I hope you try that recipe because we will definitely make this again.